I hope you like it, and if you do, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Okay, so first I'm going to prime my eyes with some concealer, and I'll be using my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in shade 15. And then I'm setting it with a white matte eyeshadow. For transition shade, I'm using this brown eyeshadow from my Too Faced Matte Eye palette, and I'm buffing it in my crease. Next, I'm taking this warm brown eyeshadow from my Catrice Chocolate Nudes eyeshadow palette, and I'm applying it just in the outer corners of my eyes. And I'm using a small blending brush to apply it. And then I'm diffusing the edges with a clean blending brush. I'm applying one more layer of that brown so it's darker, and then again I'm diffusing the harsh lines. Okay, so next with a wet brush, I'm applying this Catrice Liquid Metal eyeshadow in the inner part of my eyelid. I'm taking again the eyeshadow that I use as my transition shade, and I'm applying it between the brown and the shimmer eyeshadow so I can blend them together and get that gradient effect. Now to add more depth to the eyes, I'm applying a matte black eyeshadow in the outer corners. And I'm diffusing the edges with a small, clean blending brush. Okay, so next I'm going to apply some eyeliner. I'm cleaning the edge with a Q-tip and makeup removal, and then I'm going to highlight my brow bone and the inner corners of my eyes using this white shimmer eyeshadow, again from my Catrice Chocolate Nudes eyeshadow palette. Along my lower lash line, I'm applying the eyeshadow that I use as my transition shade. And in my waterline, I'll be using a dark brown pencil. I'm going to glue on some false lashes off camera, and after that, this look is going to be complete. So this is the finished look. I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye!